Hey parents, I'm Taylor from We Craft Social. Are you looking for a way to keep your little ones engaged while they're away from school? Well, how about a DIY paint by number? This project's going to be perfect for the 5 to 7-year-old crowd.
Though it's a bit difficult to see here with the lighting, a white chalk pen won't bleed through like a black Sharpie would. For this project, we're making our lines and borders a darker color to add more dimension to our carrot. Remind your child that if there is an edge to a section, they only paint within those boundaries. On the other hand, if there are no edges, they can continue the same color all the way around. Encourage your child to paint the biggest same color section with a foam brush first. Then they can paint the darker border, which will help cover up any rough edges. This will be the trickiest section because the borders are so narrow. But instead of working with one color, we're using two colors to really encourage them to stay in the lines.
Not only does this project keep your little ones engaged, but it will also help build their reading comprehension as they practice going from color to color, remembering what the numbers mean, and also their fine motor skills as they work to paint in those fine lines. My name is Taylor from We Craft Social. I have other family-friendly crafting and baking projects on my channel, so check those out.